Judge bench, including Patrick Kiage, Mohamed Warsame, and Agness Murgor, will decide whether a petition seeking to transfer operations of Kenya Ports Authority to Mombasa County proceeds. Moreover, they will decide on an appeal presented by KPA seeking to have the Intergovernmental Tribunal hear the petition. In the meantime, the government will vet and register all import and export cargo consolidators to root out tax evaders, President Uhuru Kenyatta has said. Now, the president spoke on Monday during a stakeholders meeting at the Inland Container Depot, ICD, in Embakasi, Nairobi. And here's Christine Kamau with more.
In a stakeholder meeting at the Inland Container Depot in Embakasi, President Uhuru Kenyatta has revealed the government will vet and register all import and export cargo consolidators to root out tax evaders. President Uhuru Kenyatta has said he has faulted the consolidators for contributing to the delays in the clearance of containers at the ICD.
Kuna wengine ambao wanafanya hii mambo ya consolidation, wanalete mizigo, lakini wameweka container, wanasema hii mizigo inaenda Uganda, hii mizigo inaenda South Sudan, wakijaribu kuhepa kulipa ushuru.
The meeting agreed that only genuine consolidators gazetted after the vetting process will be allowed to work with the small-scale traders in the import-export business. The president, however, warned importers that the government will not relent in its efforts to stem out the importation of counterfeit goods into the country, which he said were a major hindrance to the development of local manufacturing sector, thereby denying millions of Kenyans employment.
All consolidators sasa lazima wawe vetted by KRA, lazima wawe gazetted, na hawa tu ndio wananchi wataweza kufanya biashara na wao.
On the same note, a three-judge bench, including Patrick Kiage, Mohamed Warsame, and Agness Murgor, will decide whether a petition seeking to transfer operations of Kenya Ports Authority to Mombasa County proceeds. However, lawmakers representing 3 Mombasa County residents, William Ramogi, Gerard Kiti, and Asha Omar, have asked the court to do away with the appeal.
The only legitimate dispute before court is the question of whether or not the port and its auxiliary institutions should be managed by the national government or the county government. In this case, if the logic of the Superior Court is to be maintained, then citizens can approach the superior courts and clog them with disputes that the law in its infinite wisdom has provided should be resolved elsewhere.
Since the tribunal does not protect employment, the tribunal does not have any function protecting employment of residents who have lost their jobs after the container freight in Mombasa was closed and its functions moved to Nairobi port.
Assuming that at a time when
the scepter of unemployment hangs over this whole case, and it is in Article 55, the state shall take measures, including affirmative action programs, to ensure that the youth see excess employment. 55C. Not the other way around, that the state shall take measures to take away employment. And unemployment is also a part of international law.
The representative of the Attorney General, Wachira Nguyo, has, however, stated that the disputes of take or pay can be settled outside the court.
The take or pay agreement, Your Lordship, if at all there is a reason to have it set aside, it can equally be negotiated within the ambit of the intergovernmental relations forums that are there.
The ruling shall be heard on September 26th. The Kenyan Constitution places a responsibility on the national government to exploit natural resources in a way the country and the county benefits, and the counties with possession must as well enjoy and benefit directly of the resources. Christine Kamau, KUTV.
Well, that's Christine Kamau.